Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you making a theme with idesigner. And by the way, I'm at a different camera view today. Let's turn my laptop around. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you making a theme with idesigner. You can add my source. The link is in the description. Here's my first theme, well, one of my themes, Mac Paint HD. Nothing very amazing, but you can add it. It'll be in the description. So, first of all, I will not have a link in the description for iDesigner. I will soon if I find where I downloaded it. Don't know where I did. Okay, but iDesigner is safe. So, first of all, once you get iDesigner, you're gonna see a screen where it says New Winterboard Theme, Theme Manager, Load Theme, New SBS Settings Theme, Tools, and Image Resizer. I am going to do a new Winterboard theme. Just click that little star and just click next. Then it should say theme name. Your theme name will be whatever your theme is going to be. I haven't thought of it yet. I'm going to name this I'm just going to name this YouTube. Doesn't matter, anything that's in caps really doesn't matter. So first of all, you're going to see a screen like mine. Like that. Except for that iDesigner preview window. Okay, well, once you have that kind of screen, you're going to have a screen like this, just a small little thing. You should see some arrows on the side. Click that little tab. And then you can preview it, see what your thing's going to look like, and every time you add a new thing, click update, and you can view the lock screen, each page. So now, one thing I like about iDesigner, it tells you right here what the size of the picture is going to be. So it says wallpaper, lock background, then it says right next to it 320 by 480, and all these are in pixels. So now I'll open up Microsoft Paint. This is like half of a review video, half of a non-review video pretty much. I'm showing you how to use it too. Okay, now I'm going to go to image. Well, this is in Microsoft Paint. You may have some other program like, well, everybody has Photoshop, I don't. Okay, you go into wallpaper, and this is for Paint only, Microsoft Paint. You go to Paint, and then you click image, attributes, and you make it. This is for the wallpaper or lock background. You have to do width 320 by 480. 320 by 480. Click enter. Now you should have a screen like this. Should be perfectly normal, like an iPod screen. Looks a little bigger than that, but it isn't. You can seriously get your iPod, hook it up, put it up to the screen, and it looks like it. Okay. Now it's time for me to be designing a quick little image for you guys. I'm gonna make it. No, what theme did I do? YouTube. Okay. Now I'm gonna spray paint the words YouTube for the background. YouTube. If you get my source, you actually will see this theme soon. Sometimes my source glitches up. Like it'll say it can't host it. You just have to go into changes and click refresh, and you have to keep doing that till you get some of my themes. Now you just have to save it as a PNG file. It has to be PNG. I don't like it. One thing I don't like about this program, it doesn't say automatically. It doesn't accept like JPEGs and turn them into PNGs. It has to be a PNG. So I'm gonna name it PNG. Xing this out. Now I see on my desktop. Now click those little like binoculars, go on my desktop, click update. Now it shows you my iPod screen. It says YouTube, and it shows you that. Here, watch my screen. You don't need to watch me. Okay, you should see my mouse on the screen. Lock background, I'm going to do that same thing. Now I'm going to go to lock screen, click update, attention. Since you go to lock screen, home screen, update. Okay, dock background. Ooh, dock. What is the dock size? 320 by 91. That's simple. It tells you. Okay. Edit, no, image, attributes, 320 by 91. And this is the exact dock size. 91. Some people think it's 90. Some people think around 90. It is 91. I have experienced this before. I'm just going to make a black dock, pretty much. Look pretty cool. Save as, PNG. Name it, DC, again. Doc.png. Just going to keep Microsoft Paint open. Go to dock background. And look on your .dc update. Now, this is going to be your iPod screen with all the icons and all the stuff on it. Trust me. Okay, I'm going to upload a status bar. I'm going to go into my folder. Okay, I'm going to name it status bar update. Okay, I don't know what a badge is. Some people do. And you don't need to do a badge, and you don't need to do an SMS background. You really don't. You don't need to do a badge or an SMS background. Don't know what those are. Let's click next. Now sliders. Sliders. Okay. Well, I'm going to make a slider. I usually just do one slider, then all of them for the same. Save as. No, I'm making a new one. 71 by 47. Attributes 71 by 47. Click OK. Now what should I do for my slider? I'm just gonna do this dot. Some separate dots. Save as. Slider. Extend out. Okay, you should find a slider. Click slider. Now just update that. Go to lock screen, update. Now my little slider is like those three arrows that I made. Pretty cool. Now power slider. I'm just gonna do all the same ones to speed it up for you guys. I would originally do different ones to make it more unique. Right now I don't feel like that. Slider mask and bottom bar background. Don't know what those do. I don't do them because if I mess up it won't look very good. Click update. Next. Page wallpapers. If you want it to be like every time you flip pages, there would be a different background. You can do that with idesigner. Well, I don't do that most of the time, but if you're doing like a theme with arrays, UI images don't need to do those though. You can view like, okay, check, KB, I don't know, all these weird things. Let's go to next. You don't need to do any UI sounds. You can do battery, icons. Now this is where you can do the icons. But what I mean by icons, like, I'll get my iPod. I hope you guys can see this. Just the icons in the way. Okay. I'm going to open up SPS settings. Turn my brightness down. Apparently. Can you guys see this? Well, no. Turn it up. Okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the brightness perfect for you guys. I don't know what the perfect brightness is for making a YouTube video. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with like this. I'm just gonna slide to unlock. Okay, this is my Mac Paint HD theme. It's got a different slider and everything. So, what it means by icons, I'm not doing icons yet, but icons. So you know how if you have a theme on Cydia, like say you have a stocks icon, it would like change colors or something. Yeah, you can do that too. You can make an image of one of your icons. I don't do that. I want to speed up time. Add custom properties. Don't need to do that really. Okay, then you should see this screen, the build theme. Okay, it should say zip my theme should be checked. Uncheck that. Well, if that's how easy you want it to be. I unzip that. I mean, who wants a zip file and then just open it and waste of time having extra space on the computer? I did include identifier. You want that. Then after you could have include identifier on and nothing else, click Build Theme. Theme complete. Please see the log for any additional details. View log. Doesn't really matter what the log says. Okay. Just going to close that. Now you should have a theme in your desktop called whatever you called it. No, you shouldn't have it in your desktop. You have to go to your search thing. Macs. With a Mac, it would be called Finder. This is just called like Start. Okay. So I'm going to search whatever it was called. Just going to search whatever it was called. YouTube. You should find it. If you didn't find it, you didn't do it right. It should say YouTube.theme or whatever you named it. Okay, mine says YouTube.theme. Now time to take it into the Debian process. You guys don't have to watch this part if you don't want to see the Debian, how to make a Debian folder. Okay, Debian is simple. Just make a folder called whatever you called it. You can call it YouTube. Now make another folder in that folder. You have to call it library, capital L. I made this mistake before, it doesn't work. Okay, then do another folder called Debian, all caps. Now, go to your library folder and make another folder called Themes. Themes. Or applications if you want to install an application. Okay, so then you open up the theme folder. Now, you can have as much as themes as you want it to download as possible. I am going to make it only download my one theme that I made. So you're going to drag your YouTube theme into here. I may not have enough time for this to go to, because this might go over to 15 minutes. I'll make a part 2 if this doesn't. Okay. Now, as you can see, now open up a Debian. Make a new text file, text document. Now it should like start renaming it. Just call it control. Don't add like .text. It has to be just control. Then it will warn you, do you want to change, if you change the file name extension, the file may become unusable. Are you sure you want to use it? Well, you have to click yes. Then it should just say control. If it says control.text or control.word file, it won't work. So now, you open it up. Now it should be all confused. It'll be like, what do you open it with? Yeah, I prefer WordPad. Completely go to WordPad. Now, in the description, I will have a link for the right encoding. Okay. Well, the right encoding is, where is it? Okay. Here, I'll get the right encoding right now. This may be wasting some of your time. I would skip through this part. Definitely. Okay. And my internet takes a long time to load. Okay. So now I'm going to search how. Don't do this on your computer, because I'll have the scripting. Is this the right one? Yep, that's the right one. Okay, this encoding is not made by me. This is made by my repo space. Not made by me. So now I'm going to get their code. MyRepoSpace.com takes a long time to load too. Okay, now it's just connecting. Because here they have a pre-written code, and the time is being changed. Come on, I only have a minute. I'll make a part 2 if we can't get through this whole 15 minutes. I'm pretty sure we can't make it through these whole 15 minutes. Yep, we can't make it. And now it's just loading. My repo space takes like a long time to load. You can look at my repo space online. It's really cool. I made my own Cydia repo on there. Cydia repo. You can see it right now. Oh no, it's already loading. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I'm just checking some. Okay. Now it's just loading. Okay, I will show you my source now. It's still loading, I mean. Seriously. So now I'm just loading Cydia. Loading the data. Cydia takes a long time to load. Don't worry, I'm still looking at my screen. Nothing's really loaded yet. Oh, no, bye guys. Sorry, I'll make a part 2 of this. Bye.